There are a couple types of work injuries, so let's talk about the basic classifications. Sometimes you suffer an injury to a body part that you've never had a problem with before. But often, people are suffering from pre-existing conditions. Many people, especially as you get up in age, will have a bad back already. Maybe you've even had treatment on a back, on a shoulder, on a knee. But someday you show up at work and there's an incident. And that incident or accident aggravates your back or your knee or your shoulder. Well, many people don't realize, but that aggravation of that pre-existing condition is also a work injury, a new injury for which a claim can be made. Now, keep in mind, if you've had prior treatment, if you've had prior injuries to this particular body part, the insurance company is certainly going to use that against you. You're going to have to testify about that prior injury. The medical records from that prior treatment will be produced. Doctors will scrutinize them. You'll be questioned about your symptoms. And, often that pre-existing condition, certainly if it was a number of years ago, maybe the symptoms went away and you were able to work in whatever industry you're in, able to do your job fully until this incident aggravated your pre-existing condition. So many people don't realize, but just because you've had an injury before, it doesn't mean that you can't aggravate that condition to the point where you are disabled from a new injury. And we litigate these cases all the time. I have even litigated cases where someone had back surgery, say 10 years ago. And they're at work and they're lifting and they aggravate their back. Now, certainly sometimes it's hard to prove that this is a new injury as opposed to the fact that they just have a bad back. But through skillful testimony from the doctor and analysis of the medical records, we can often be successful of proving a new injury. So if this happens to you, contact an attorney immediately.